friends, how are you? You are well? Okay, fine. The next, today's my topic is the trigonometry. What is the trigonometry? Okay, then at first the break of this word, tree, go, no, okay, metry. Tree that means three. Okay, three. Gono means sides. And metry means measure. That means trigonometry means three sides measure. We note that in any triangles has three sides or three angles. Then first, for examples, it is a figure of the right triangle A, B, C. Okay, B equal to 90 degree. At first, the find out hypotenuse, perpendicular and base of these triangles. The 90 degree opposite side is called hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. It is denoted by small s. And the theta, for example, theta is the acute angle. It is also acute angle. Then we find this respect to the theta is the opposite sides. And opposites of the theta sides is the called perpendicular. It is denoted by small p. And the rest side is called base. Okay, it is base. Find out. According to Pythagoras theorem, and by Pythagoras theorem, okay, है ना, that means Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to square of other two sides. Okay, then AC is the, that means H square, BC equal to B square, or AB equal to P square. It is the formula of derived by Pythagoras theorem in the trigonometry. Okay, next, how to find of hypotenuse, base and perpendicular in different shape in triangles. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, and C is given 90 degree. Then theta equal to D equal to also 90 degree, and theta is okay. Theta is given here. Then find the hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. We know that opposite sides of the 90 degree, that is called hypotenuse. Okay, opposite sides of the theta, that is called perpendicular. Rest side is the base. Similarly, here opposite sides of the 90 degree is hypotenuse, opposite side of the theta, it is the called perpendicular. Rest side is called base. Okay, so you have to find out other hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. Okay, we know that the three sides, okay, sine, cos, sec and cosec, then tan and cot, all three. There are 6 ratio in a trigonometry. Then find out this formula. Sine theta equal to P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos theta equal to B by H, and tan theta equal to P by B, and sin theta opposite the cosec theta equal to H by P. Okay, and cos theta equal to H by B, and cot theta equal to B by P. Okay, this is a formula. We know that, है ना, look at this formula. Sin theta is opposite to cosec theta. Then find the relation sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. For example, sin theta is the given P by H, cosec theta equal to given also H by P, P cancel and H is cancelled, and then find out the 1. Similarly, cos theta and sec theta, cos theta or that means sec theta. Okay, sec theta. Okay, so cos theta into sec theta we get 1. Then cos theta, that similarly tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Okay, so next find out the other triangles formula. Okay, next, this is the short form sine, cos and tan. Okay, find out this. P H B H P B. Okay, short form. Sin theta P by H, cos theta b by h, tan theta p by b. Sin is the reverse of the cosec theta. Cos theta is the sec theta and cot theta. Okay, so this is the short form of, you have to learn this formula. Okay, next, for example, if sin theta equal to 1, then find the value of tan theta. Okay, so given is here sin theta. Solution: sin theta equal to p by h, then a by 1, then b square, find out b square, h square minus p square, h square minus p square. That means h is the given 1, p is the a, that means a square, and that means b square. Find the tan theta equal to p by b, p equal to given 1 or b equal to given root under 1 minus a square. This is answer. Next, you also learned this formula used in this chapter: sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. For example, this is other question in this base square. X equal to 2 cos square theta, y equal to 2 sin square theta. Find x plus y equal to 1. Then solution of this question: x is the given 2 cos square theta, 2 sin square theta equal to 1. Then common 2, that means 2 cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 1. Then 2 is the common, 2 cos square theta plus sin square value 1. Then put this value equal to 1. 2 1 is 2 plus 1, that means 3. Okay, next is question. Find out also in a trigonometry angles. Okay, in the short term. Okay, yes, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, find in this chart formula. Yes, ये है sin, cos and tan. For example, 1 minute, sorry. Then sin, cos and tan. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide 4, 4, and the same number divide 4. Root of this number, root of this number, root of this number, and so on. Then sin. Okay, sin theta यानी 0 by 1 by 4, that means 0. इसका वैल्यू 1 by 2, ये हो गया 1 by root 2, ये root 3 by 2, that means 1. Reverse of this number: 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Tan theta. Okay, tan theta, that means tan theta equal to, we know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So then sin theta by 0 by 1, that means 0, or 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, that cancellation, 1 by root 3, value 1, 2 cancellation, or root 3, or 1 by 0. देखिए sin theta equal to 1 और यहाँ 0, that means 1 by 0, that means infinitive, that is the infinitive. And next, sin is the inverse of cosec theta. Cosec theta, that means the reverse of this number, that means 0, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, that means that cosec theta. Okay, cosec theta नहीं sec theta. Okay, sec theta plus sec में लिखेंगे. Sec the also reverse of the cos. Then 1, 2 by root 3, then root 2, then 2 and 0. And the last number, okay, last number is 10. हो गया 10. Then cot. Okay, cot. Cot, that means cos by 1 by 0, that means infinitive. 2, 1 by 2, that means root 3, that means 1, 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3, and cos 1 by 1 is 0 है ना, cos 0 by 1, that means 0. This is the answer. Okay, yeah.